Where there is coffee, there is energy. And where there is energy, ideas ignite. In bustling cities, coffee fuels ambition, powers every early morning start, and sustains every late night brainstorm. It's a constant presence, sparking conversations, innovation, and connection. But every cup of coffee holds a story that begins far from the noise of the city in the quiet, rolling hills of the coffee farms. Here, life moves at a different pace, in tune with the land and in step with the seasons. At TUBO, we bring these two worlds together, creating a bridge between the energy of urban life and the heart of the farms that make it all possible. From the soil where seeds are planted, to the trees that bear the cherries, to the beans that are carefully harvested. At every stage, there's TUBO, a journey that starts in the fields and ends in your cup. Because every coffee, like every idea, starts with a vision.
Course, it starts with the farm itself, with the farmers and what they do with the cherries.
Meet Nanay Anaan, a farmer from Sumila, Bukidnon, who's now venturing into the world of coffee farming. Like many others in northern Mindanao, she's part of a long line of farmers continuing the coffee tradition in the Philippines. Yet for many of these farmers, challenges like climate change, limited market access, and outdated practices threaten their livelihood.
Weather, hindi siya friendly for drying. Kailangan na ay direct relationship si farmer, si roaster, or si cafe owner.
Despite our rich coffee heritage, around 70% of the coffee consumed in the Philippines is still imported, mostly from Vietnam. This is where TUBO comes in. We named our app TUBO, meaning to grow in English, to reflect its purpose in both the agricultural and financial sense. Our focus is on Region 10, the food basket of the Philippines, and the homeland of the Katutubo, where we aim to empower farmers to thrive amidst these challenges.
Can you really say, Sad Sir, na Bukidnon is trying to evolve into a coffee industry Sad, in the long
Yes,
term?
definitely.
Definitely.
Okay, Bukidnon is very competitive when it comes to coffee industry.
Our mission with TUBO is simple: to empower these farmers with the tools they need to thrive, not by replacing their expertise, but by amplifying it through data. It's designed with farmers like Nanay Anan in mind, rooted deeply in the needs of small-scale coffee growers and community traditions. This isn't about generic tech solutions, but about tools crafted to address the real day-to-day challenges farmers face on the ground.
Starting with weather pattern prediction, TUBO helps farmers handle the uncertainties of climate. For coffee farmers, timing is everything. Planting, nurturing, and harvesting cycles are critical, and shifting weather patterns make it hard to know when each phase should happen. Farmers can access a 7 to 14-day forecast, helping them prepare for adverse weather. With these insights, farmers like Nanay Anan can make the most of every planting season, ensuring each cycle produces a strong yield.
But it doesn't just stop there. TUBO empowers farmers with crop health analysis using geospatial data from Geospectrum, tailored specifically for the Philippines. By leveraging NDVI technology and VRA for fertilization, farmers can visualize crop health at a glance, which turns TUBO into a literal eye in the sky for the fields. NDVI, or Normalized Difference Vegetation Index, measures the health of vegetation by analyzing how different wavelengths of light are absorbed and reflected by plants. Specifically, healthy plants absorb visible red light and reflect near-infrared light. TUBO's NDVI tool takes advantage of this by calculating NDVI values using satellite or drone imagery, offering a clear, color-coded view of crop health.
NDVI is calculated as NIR minus red divided by NIR plus red, where NIR represents near-infrared light and red represents visible red light. High NDVI values indicate healthy vegetation, while low or negative values signify stressed or sparse vegetation. TUBO processes this data into an easy-to-understand visual map, so farmers can spot problem areas within their fields. Healthy plants reflect certain light wavelengths, while stressed plants reveal early warning signs. This insight enables farmers to detect issues like nutrient deficiencies and take an action before it's too late. With real-time health data, farmers can respond quickly to potential issues, adjusting water, fertilizer, or pest control efforts. TUBO translates this into an easy-to-understand visuals so farmers can see at a glance where their crops needs extra care, water, or adjustments to ensure health and productivity. This sky-level view lets farmers catch issues before they escalate, protecting the hard work they've invested into every plant.
TUBO's real-time market analytics are equally powerful. Often, farmers are disconnected from the markets that buy their coffee and have to rely on intermediaries, which can cut into their profits. Imagine knowing exactly what buyers want, when they want it, and what they're willing to pay. Our platform connects farmers directly with market demand, providing valuable insights that help them make data-driven decisions. These market insights are drawn from a combination of sources, including trade databases, local and global pricing index, demand forecasts, and news and trends in the coffee industry. Machine learning models like regression analysis and natural language processing, or NLP, sift through massive datasets to detect pricing trends and supply-demand changes. TUBO's algorithms predict pricing trends by analyzing both historical pricing data and real-time market conditions. This enables farmers to understand when and where the demand for coffee is highest, positioning them to make better timing and market channel decisions. With access to these insights, farmers are empowered to cut out intermediaries and directly negotiate prices based on the latest data, securing better profit margins and potentially establishing stronger market relationships. No more guessing or relying solely on intermediaries. With TUBO, farmers become key players in the market, capturing more value from their hard work.
Lastly, field boundary detection makes use of satellite imagery to give farmers a detailed view of their land. This feature uses satellite imagery for services like Sentinel-2 and Landsat, combined with image processing techniques to detect the edges of the field automatically. Computer vision algorithms include edge detections and convolutional neural networks, or CNN, identify and demarcate boundaries even on uneven terrains. By combining geospatial data with real-time imagery, TUBO creates a digital map of each farmer's field. These boundaries are visualized on the app's interface, allowing farmers to assess the shape and area of their plots, improving their ability to manage resources. For coffee farmers who have dispersed plots or challenging landscapes, this feature outlines field boundaries, making it easy to assess, manage, and optimize the layout of each area. By knowing exactly where resources need to be allocated, farmers can save time and make the most of their land. Every feature in TUBO is designed to complement, not replace the expertise of our farmers. TUBO respects the heritage, skills, and deep knowledge farmers bring to every harvest. By adding data-driven insights to their toolkits, TUBO empowers them to navigate the modern world of agriculture without losing touch with their roots.
Our mission is not only to boost productivity, but to foster a fair and sustainable coffee industry in the Philippines. TUBO aims to create a future where farmers are not just suppliers, but empowered entrepreneurs, equipped with the insights to thrive locally and globally. With TUBO, we're improving overall quality and productivity and ensuring that the Filipino coffee industry shines on the world stage.
So the next time you take a sip of that perfect cup of coffee, remember TUBO, the app that is there for our farmers every step of the way, from fields to your mug.
Together, we're brewing a future where every farmer's efforts are rewarded and every cup of coffee holds a story to tell. How about you? What story does your cup hold?